All right, so in this video, I have a look at this pair of sneakers finally. I've been wanting to get these in hand, and I haven't bought them yet. I ended up getting them from Kicks World to check them out. But we have a pair of New Balance sneakers that was on my top 10 list for last year for New Balance shoes. And I can confirm after getting them in hand and on feet that this definitely was a top 10 contender. This is the Salehe Bembury Water Be the Guide colorway of the 2002R. And let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this sneaker. What is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you haven't used my website, Collective Kicks, I post a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys over there for you to check out. So feel free to do that in the description. Also wanted to mention this video is going to be sponsored by Kicks World. If you have not heard of them, check the link in the description. It'll take you over to their page. With my link in the description, you can save up to 47% off of your Tier 2 membership if that's the one you're going after. Tier 1 is only 36% discount. Tier 3 is 46% and Tier 4 is 40%. I know it's kind of a weird breakdown, but between 36 and 47% discount with my code in the description. If you haven't heard of Kicks World before, it's an online sneaker subscription service. You can basically rent sneakers for a month or so, depending on whatever your needs are. I know sneaker rentals are not going to be for everybody, but I do feel like there is a core audience out there that is really going to enjoy this service. If you have a special event to go to, you don't want to wear the same thing you've always worn, you can always rent something from them. If you have a vacation plan, it's always nice to be able to rent something as well. I had some Yeezy slides that I used for my last vacation, which was fun to be able to take. But the best part about their service is that you actually get to wear the sneakers, which is honestly part of the sneaker culture that's kind of missing. So a lot of people are like, what does sneaker culture come to, renting sneakers? But think about it, like the fact that you're actually wearing the sneakers makes you kind of more a part of the culture than somebody that buys them and just sits on them and never wears them. I don't know. It's one of those things, food for thought, but it's fun because you can get the shoes, literally throw them on feet, and then just wear them as you normally would your regular shoes. You send them back, and if you want another pair the next month, you can continue your subscription, or you can just cancel your subscription on the spot. Anyway, more information, link in the description, again, with my discount. So I actually use Kicks World for the Peace Be the Journey colorway, and that's how I got these in hand. I decided once I got them, I'm not sending them back. So basically pay whatever the current market value is of the shoe, and then you can actually keep the product and you don't have to send them back. This is a really, really dope shoe though. Once I got these in hand, the quality of the materials was so nice that I was like, okay, like he's not playing around. Salehe Bembury was somebody that I was not familiar with, and then I became familiar as soon as I got these. Now he has a Croc collaborations. He's doing a lot of things. He's going to be one of those people that definitely pushes the needle with footwear a lot in the future. So very, very excited to see where he takes things, but really cool to be able to see the difference in both of these shoes side by side. There's definitely a familiar feeling to both of them because of the color blockings, and some of the materials feel very much part of a pack, which is kind of what it is. It's kind of like themed together, but there's definitely some differences as well. And if you didn't understand what the theme of the shoes are, literally the boxes showcase what kind of inspired the creation of the sneakers. So you have Joe Fresh Goods that had the outside clothes with the sky and the grass sort of and the dirt like theme. These actually released before that, and you have the water theme obviously with some kind of dirt and grass themed in here as well. So it's like definitely one with nature sort of vibes to these. The blue is crazy bright. The green is very vibrant as well, but it's a nice mix with the different tones of browns and then like the dirt speckled midsole on here as well. Similar to the previous one, you have a cork liner, and then you have a really nice leather trim on the tongue, as well as the New Balance logo right underneath the tongue, and then also a little bit of the trim around the collar. This is one of those shoes that I've been actively watching. I wanted to pull the trigger on them a while ago. I should have, because the prices are just going to keep going up. Like my price that I had out there just never was met. So I figured I'd get them from Kicks World, check them out. I might actually send them an email and just try to pay off the balance on these ones, because I really do like this color blocking and just the overall theme of the shoe. I like the 2002R model as well from New Balance. It fits true to size in my opinion. So for those wondering, I mean, some people may agree or disagree. I like the true to size feel though. It feels right on my feet. But the model is a comfortable one. The color blocking looks really good, and I love to see both of them together, like for that kind of pack vibe. I do like that subtle but noticeable Salehe Bembury like down the tongue of the shoe as well. It just gives him the cred on the shoes that is so well deserved. All in all, I feel like both pairs of these are just super, super dope. Very well done. Great theme, great creative direction from Salehe, and great execution with New Balance. But what do you guys think about the Water Be the Guide 2002Rs? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully he's going to be doing some more collabs with New Balance in the future. He's done a lot of cool stuff. I'm still trying to get those Crocs. Hopefully I'll hit on a pair when they actually end up releasing more colorways. But that's all we have. Again, if you guys want to check out Kicks World, link in the description. Appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching. Have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more videos. All right, peace, guys.